Struggles and challenges before Trade Mastermind, I feel like I'm going round on a hamster wheel. So then I'm left wondering, would I be better off going and working and just doing a day rate for a builder? I recognised I just need the guidance. What have I got to lose? You know, give me some clarity in my head as to the correct steps to take at the correct time. It helps that both Paul and Joseph are ex-tradies and have been in the game that I'm in, because they can speak my language. They will know the struggle that I am going through. Hopefully, Paul and Joe have both made all the mistakes for me, so I now don't have to make them and they can point me in the right direction. They are proof of the success that this course can bring. And these are real people with real businesses, and they're living proof that this can work. I'm lucky, I only have to travel from Cambridge, but there are people that come from Cardiff, Manchester, Liverpool, Scotland, all to be here today. And if people are willing to travel from Scotland to come here, we've got to be onto a good thing.